Hello everyone, I'm Antonis Andronikakis, Communications Manager at Reframe Food. Welcome to the second season of our Smart Droplets podcast series. Smart Droplets is an EU Horizon project aiming at developing a holistic and sustainable crop spraying solution, utilizing AI, robotics and other innovative technologies to benefit both the farmers and the environment. In this series, we will explore the progress we've made so far, highlighting each partner's contribution following our recent pilot tests in Spain and Lithuania. Today, I'm joined by Michiel Kallenberg from our partner, the Wageningen University. We will shed some light on some important technological aspects of the Smart Droplet solution. So, Michiel, thanks for being with us. Before going to the main dish of our questions, I would like you to introduce yourself briefly and tell us about your role in the project.
Okay, thanks for the introduction. My name is Michiel Kallenberg. I work from Wageningen University and I'm a researcher in AI technology, especially reinforcement learning and digital twins. And we were leading this project about digital twins and reinforcement learning and AI in the Smart Droplets project. Yeah.
Thank you for that. So let's delve into the digital platform integrating the digital twins and AI. What tangible, actionable insights or improved decision-making capabilities does it offer farmers compared to traditional methods or simpler software?
In the Smart Droplet project, we actually have a couple of components, indeed the digital twin solution, and then the AI component that does recommendations. For digital twin, it's basically a model that also integrates real life data such as weather forecasts and so on to monitor the status of the crop, for example, winter wheat, and then it gets a feedback loop with sensory data from the crop, like crop measurements, and then these measurements are fed back to the model to update its state. So the model is always in sync with the crop in the field. And that's kind of different with traditional modeling, in which you just run a model and then there's no integration with real life data. So you don't know so much how well the model is behaving. But in digital twins, you know that this feedback system is there. So that's one component. The other component is the AI technology that does these, give advice, recommendations on, let's say, whether to fertilize or whether to apply some plant protection products. And this is done by AI methods, and these AI methods, which is based on reinforcement learning, are a bit different than traditional systems, which are more kind of rule-based, like heuristic systems. So the systems we train are really driven by data, whereas traditional methods are more rule of thumb decisions. So I think these two components, the digital twin and the AI component, is what makes it stand out from other systems.
Mm-hmm. I think that access to real-time feedback is very important and promising for our project. It has great potential benefits. Let's move on to the usability of the platform. How is the platform being designed for usability? And based on pilot feedback or user testing, what features or interface elements are being prioritized to make it attractive and intuitive for farmers and also for the advisors?
Okay, I think you touch upon a very important point, which is the usability. So we can have a very intelligent system, but if it's not intuitive, or then it's difficult to use. But we did a kind of co-design with stakeholders. So we reached out to farmers to send them questionnaires and see what do they want to see in our data management platform, and also what do we want to see in our dashboard. And that's how we prioritize. So what they can do, for example, is to visualize the current status of the crop, see recommendations, see kind of simulations of what will happen in what-if scenarios if I apply this product, if I apply that. So that's kind of intuitive. So they get kind of intuitive feeling on what our algorithms try to recommend. So that's how we designed the product in co-design with stakeholders.
Okay, thank you for these examples. I think that they are great, depicting that the platform is becoming more and more user-friendly as the time passes. Let's take another aspect of the digital platform, the components of it. While powerful together, could parts of the platform itself function independently? And crucially, how is the platform's value proposition significantly amplified when used as part of the complete smart droplet system, including the autonomous hardware?
Okay. Yeah. So we went for a holistic approach, and we tried to integrate different components. For example, this digital twin and the AI system, and but we developed it as a kind of plug-and-play architecture. So it's modular designs. So it has several subcomponents that you can adopt. But I think the nice value proposition, as you name it, is that we have this integrated solution. But if farmers would like to, they can adopt each piece at their own pace. For example, we have if a farmer has a certain measurement device, it can connect to the system pretty easily. But if the farmer has another measuring device, it also can connect easily. So it depends also on how much the farmer likes to adopt several of the components of its system.
I see. There is a high factor of flexibility and do as you wish, let's say, approach in the platform. I'm moving on to another subject which is very important when we're talking about using and exploiting AI, because adapting AI requires trust. How does the platform facilitate this? Would be my first question. And also, does it offer transparency into its recommendations, and what level of control or customizations do farmers have over its outputs?
Okay. Trust of course is a very big issue, especially with AI. Some people think it's kind of black box nature, and people don't like that so much. But we kind of open the black box by showing the farmers or users in general how a system reacts to certain circumstances. So the user can run some simulations and see in scenarios what our product recommends. So that's one thing, so they can use visualizations to see the outputs. The other one is so we have this digital twin in place, in which there's a feedback system from the real world. And I think this is a very strong component, which make also the recommendations tailored to the specific parcel that the farmers have. And then it's really localized approach. And I think that also encourages the trust in the product, because you can really, the system really adapt to your local field. So that's one thing. I think you also mentioned something about customization.
Yeah, exactly.
So we for the recommendation agent, which is the intelligent component, we've trained a couple of subset of agents. So we have an agent that's kind of conservative and does not so much like to spray, but we also have like an agent that are more willing to spray, and like users can choose between the agents they would like to manage their field, and that in this sense is quite customizable and can adapt to the farmer's needs.
This answer brings even more to the table in terms of the customization of the platform, as we previously discussed. Given the advanced capabilities of the digital platform, what potential pathways do you foresee for its technology and the insights it generates to create impact in the agricultural sector, both now but also after the project?
Okay. As you already mentioned, we have several subcomponents, And we offer the solution as a whole holistic approach, but each individual component will also have its marketing strategy. For example, the data management platform is developed by our partner from Serbia, the Vislora Labs Foundation, and they produce this platform as part of a bigger solution they have on data analytics. And for the digital twin and the AI component, that's more from Wageningen University, and we're still considering options how to exploit this and how to bring this to the market if that's will be ready. Yeah.
Okay.
Then it will be ready. Yeah.
Let's see what exciting paths lie ahead in the coming months as we are closing to the final stage of the project. I would like to thank you for being with us today. It was a great conversation, Michiel. And to our viewers, thank you also for watching this episode. If you are interested in sustainable and smart farming, follow our YouTube channel and our social media, or simply you can find us on our website smartdroplets.eu. Stay smart.